Good afternoon, my name is Jason, welcome to AutoCraze. Today over here we've got Benjamin working on a Px-3. Today he is doing a rival bar. He's removed the bar already and he's just doing the little bits and pieces to make it go on. Alright, so what we've done is we've covered the guard with masking tape so we don't get any scratches on it, and we've marked out where the hole needs to be. I've gone a little bit crazy and I made a very large template for myself, so that's going to help me later on. But all we need to do is do certain measurements, mark out the hole, cut it, and then we'll slide the snorkel in. So stay tuned.
How you going, guys? It's Nate here, head tyre fitter at AutoCraze. Behind me we have this nice blue Px-3 Ford Ranger. The boys are actually doing the build today. It's getting fitted with a set of Tuff T07 rims, 17x9. They're getting wrapped with a Hankook RT03 full mud terrain tyre. It is a 285/70/17.